Okay, today in Graphic Design Project 3, we're going to be working with not only the lasso tool and copying and cropping, but also color. How to add color in certain parts of a photo while making the other piece black and white. Hello everybody and welcome to Project 3 in our graphic design. So step 1, log into Pixar, no big deal. 2, create a new image called Red Apple. And we're going to go by launching the Pixar editor. We are going to open our image from a URL. We can just go directly and do that. And we can paste the URL which I gave you in your document. Here's our picture. It's in color. So what we want to do is make the whole picture black and white except for the apple. The apple's going to be the only piece that is going to be color. There's a few ways to do this, but here is the easiest. So first we have our background layer. If you click on this little lock part on the side, it'll open up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lasso and I'm going to go right around the apple. It's okay to get the finger, you just don't want to take any of the apple. Alright, there's our apple. I'm going to copy, Command C, and I'm going to paste, Command V, this apple. Alright, now I have two layers. I have one layer that's an apple, and another layer that is Snow White. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take the Snow White layer, and I'm going to make her black and white. The way I'm going to do that is to go to Adjustment, Hue and Saturation. Take the saturation all the way down. I can kind of mess with these a little bit too. Just like that. Okay. Alright. Now I still have this apple here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the apple. I'm going to zoom in on it. Alright. And I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Let's see first if I can use my magic wand. That might help a little bit. Remember to get off the magic wand, you can take the lasso and just click on the screen. Then I'm just going to take my eraser. I'm going to blow it up so I can get nice and neat. My brush, that's 50, that's too big. I'm going to go 30 with soft edges. That should be just about perfect. Alright, now we have these two layers, and what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we're clicked on the top layer. We're going to go to our move arrow, and we're going to see if we can just put that right on top of the other one so it's a perfect fit. And now we have a red apple with Snow White. Other little tricks you can do if you're on that first layer is you can take the sponge and you can shine the apple up a little bit, make it even more red. Alright. And that is that. Remember, file, save, and you can save as a JPEG or a PNG. You're only going to save it as a PXD Pixar image if you're going to use it later on.